Now we are going to do the fish recheado and the prawn recheado. Recheado basically means stuffed in Portuguese. The masala is called ratio masala. This was our signature dish when we ran the Bernardo's restaurant, and I'm sure most of you would like to make it at home. So we will start with the prawns. So the prawns have already been marinated in turmeric, salt and lemon juice, and they slit down the center so that you can put in the masala over here. While filling the masala, make sure that you press it in right in the center and it doesn't flow over the edges, otherwise the masala will come out and it will burn. So lightly press it together. Suji or semolina, which is what most people do. Personally, I prefer to use rice flour because it gives you a very even and a very crisp exterior. But we are doing the suji today, or rava. Recheado masala is never used on top of this fish normally, because the word recheado means actually stuffed. So it goes into the fish. If possible, you can put the masala and keep them for some time so that the masala goes inside, or you can even marinate it and keep them in a box until you're ready to fry it. So if you're prepping for a party, you can do them, coat them, keep them in the fridge till they're ready to fry, because this is something that has to be eaten as soon as it's fried. It doesn't taste good once it gets cold. So here we have our prawns already prepped up, and now we will do the mackerel, or bangra as it's called in Konkani. It's most often done with mackerel or with pomfret. Here we are using this. This has already been again marinated with the turmeric, salt and nimbu juice and kept for a while. So you cut the fish with a sharp knife on either side of the bone, and the masala will be filled in here. Just as in the prawn, make sure that it doesn't flow all outside too much, because then that masala will burn. Rub some on the outside. And same way, this will also be rolled in suji or rava, or rice flour if you prefer to use it.